Hello students, class 11. Let's start our study English today. Today is the poem The Voice of the Rain. It's composed by Walt Whitman. In this poem, poet here expresses about the rain and how rain becomes source of life upon the earth. And what is the water cycle? Poet here indicates the rain directly as the human beings because he have talked with the rain as the human beings directly. So the figure of speech personification uses in this poem. Okay, let's start the poem. Means poem begins with the question of the poet. Poet was asking to the rain, whatever you know, and who art thou? Means who have made you? Said I to the soft falling shower, with his trance to tell gave me an answer as here translated. Means poet here want to reply by the rain, means who art thou who have made you? Okay, poet want to ask directly to the rain, who have made you? Okay, and then poet have means whatever means rain have replied. Next, I am the poem of earth. Means here rain is replied to the poet, I am the poem of earth. Poem of earth means overall story of the earth. The overall activities upon the earth only running by me, due to me. Because you know, whatever we are looking on the earth, the greeneriness, the creatures, the human beings, everything, its existence due to rain only. Due to rain, due to means raining, everything is surviving on the earth. Okay, so rain here expresses that I am poem of the earth directly. Said the voice of the rain, means whatever shower of the rain, it's replied here, personification used. Okay, I am the poem of earth. Internal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Means inside the bottomless sea, water filled there, everything due to rain. Because all the rivers, whatever blowing means it's melt and mingles in the sea, bottomless sea. And about the water cycle here poet expresses also. Because the sea water means become stream and taken the means form of clouds, and after that the clouds started falling the earth as the rain. It is the water cycle. Okay, so poet here expresses about that water cycle process by the rain. Okay, and then upward to heaven whence vaguely formed altogether, changed and yet the same. Upward the heaven means because that same water taken the form of steam and went there upon the heaven and taken the form of cloud, and those clouds filled with water after that started falling again on the earth as the rain. Okay, it is the water cycle, means water falling down and that water also taken the form of means due to evaporation. Okay, so after falling from the sky, that water means become same in condition, in position. Once a Hindi poet have written that पानी हीते हिम भया हिम हो गया बिलाय, जो कुछ था सो ही भया अब कुछ कहा न जाए. It is only due to the forms of water. Means water forms become change liquid to solid, and after solid then liquid again. And here in water cycle, water change into gas and gas change into water again due to evaporation. Okay, and in these lines poet here expresses that I descended when drought came upon the earth, because every one have need to water vapor. Okay, without water no life survive upon the earth. So the drought condition, water needed must upon the earth. And atom is, all the atoms, each atoms of the earth having need of water. जो कण कण है, जितने भी कण हैं जमीन पर, सबको पानी की प्रतीक्षा रहती है. Okay, and dust layers of the globe, whatever dust layers having need of water, because by water they bathed everything. Okay, and then in next line, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent unborn. Means whatever seeds, poet here expresses that life is only due to water, because the seeds sprout will come only when it will get water and moisture. Without moisturing, seeds never will be sprout and never will take the form of plant and never will be grow as the tree. So the formation of seeds for taking the form of plant, tree, it's only needed water, otherwise it will be unborn. बिना पैदा हुए मीन्स बच्चे की तरह रह जाएगा, मीन्स नथिंग विल बी देम. अनाज अनाज ही रह जाएगा, बीज बीज ही रह जाएगा, अगर उसको पानी न मिले, वाटर न मिले, मॉइस्चरिंग न मिले, सनलाइट न मिले. So water is very important component germination time also. Poet want to express here. Okay, and forever by day and night I gave back life to my own origin. Whatever origin originating of the raining is due to water cycle. Day by day, day and night, that chain is running. Water cycle means water falling from the earth and it's means collect in the seas and the rivers. After that, evaporation condition, it's taking the form of steam and become cloud and falling again like the rain. Okay, next and make pure and beautify it. Means poet here expresses that the beauty and attraction of nature only due to water, because water is the source of germination, source of plantation and source of reviving the life. Okay, for song losing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering, wrecked on unchecked, duly with love returns. Love and beloved also want to meet with each other in the pleasant weather. कहा जाता है बरसात का मौसम बहुत ही अच्छा होता है for meeting the beloved also. So it is the voice of love. Voice of rain is the voice of love and affection, because without love generation is nothing, and generation will be stopped in the lack of love. So love is also inspiration, it's due to water too. In this way, the sum up of this poem, The Voice of Rain, we can say that the poet Walt Whitman here expresses by the voice of rain itself, it is the story of earth. It is the poem of earth and life also. Whatever existence upon the earth and love also, it is due to rain. Means nothing will be remain in the absence of the rain. That's all. Thank you.